Hello, I'm Steve. This is Bit of Munch. Now, I've got something here I was in two minds about buying. It's these Peperami pizza buns, and these are the hot version, allegedly. I was in two minds about buying them because they're so expensive. $2.75, and there's 4 in there. Look at the size of the pack. Yeah, they're not going to be big, are they? But I'm quite partial to a Peperami. I'm even more partial to a hot Peperami. So, let's see what they're like. It says wheat pastry with 25% hot pizza sauce, 19% salami, and 10% cheese preparation. That doesn't sound very, what's the word? Appetising, that's the word. That doesn't sound very appetising for a start, does it? And there's shed loads of ingredients in these things. I'm not going to read them all out. There's loads of stuff. Yeah. $2.75 from Asda. Okay, let's have a go. That's one of them. Look at it, it's tiny. What's $2.75 divided by 4? Or just under 70, just under 70p. Call it 70p. Yeah, that's right. Does that look like it's worth 70p? I mean, if it's damn good, yes, it will be worth it. But I don't know. I just don't know. And there's the little bun. Yeah, these don't have to be refrigerated, by the way. When I got them, I put them straight in my fridge because I got them on my Asda delivery that I get every 2 weeks. So I put them straight in the fridge. When I got them out, I don't know, a couple of days ago, just to have a look at the pack, and it says on it, oh yeah, there's something else here. Yeah, it says ready to eat. Best served at room temperature. Does not need to be stored in the fridge. And it also says, fills you up, won't mess you up. Well, I hope it won't mess me up. What a stupid thing to put on a food wrapper. No, I'm not going to go into a rant now about all the silly things on this wrapper. I'm not. Probably. There's definitely a Peperami smell there. There really is. Right, I'm going to cut it in half and we can have a look inside before I taste it, see what it looks like. Right, there's what it looks like. So it looks like on top here, you've got the cheese preparation. And then the, what I call pizza sauce. Hot pizza sauce, 19%, then 19% salami. So it's the actual sauce that's hot, not the Peperami itself. Okay. Okay. There is a bit of heat there. Definitely a bit of heat there. The bread itself is dry. In fact, I'm going to break the edge off of here. There's the edge with just a little bit of sauce on it. That's dry. Okay. I'm deconstructing this thing. I can't get the cheese preparation off separately because it's glued itself to the dry bread. So let's just try that bit. That's dry as well. And it's got a barely discernible taste of cheese. Right, the sauce. The sauce. Hang on a minute. Right, let's get a spoon. Hope you're finding this interesting. I am. I'll watch it back. I'll watch it back in a few months' time and I can't remember what I thought of them. Right. Okay. There's the sauce. Where's my glasses? There they are. Right, there's the sauce with a tiny bit of the cheese preparation. To be fair, oh yeah, that has got a bit of heat, and that has got a bit of a pizza taste to it. It really has. Okay, the salami with a little bit of cheese, bread stuck to it. It hasn't got anywhere near the distinctive Peperami taste you expect. It really hasn't. And I'm left with a little bit of dry bread. Not impressed. Not impressed. The best bit about it, to be honest, is the sauce. Because it's got a pizza taste and it has got a bit of heat to it. The cheese preparation is awful. The bread itself is pretty awful. It's dry. The so-called pepperoni, well, it doesn't call it, but it calls it salami, doesn't it? Salami doesn't taste like pepperami. I can't recommend them at all. Not at all. Hang on. Don't get me wrong, they're not horrible. They're definitely not horrible, but they're very, very disappointing. Okay, I need some suggestions now. What can I do with the rest of them to improve them? What can I do with them? I guess I could grate some cheese over them and microwave. I don't know. I really don't know. I'd like some ideas. That heat's building though. Let's finish this one off. Okay. The heat has definitely built up, which is nice. The sauce is far and away the best bit out of them. It really is. I won't repeat everything. I've said it all about them, haven't I? Yeah, what can I do with them? They were $2.75 for 4. I definitely won't buy them again. I don't recommend them. What can I do with them? Please comment down below. Please do, because I don't know what I'm going to do with them. They're all right, but I'm sure they can be improved somehow. Give me some creative ideas. And if there's an absolutely amazingly creative, incredible idea that I can do that's easy, got to make sure it's easy and make sure it's cheap. But yeah, if there's something incredible, an incredible idea, then I'll do a video of it. Well, I might do. No, I would do if it was a really, really good idea. Okay, thanks for watching. Let me know if you've tried them. And hopefully the next product I review won't be so much of a disappointment. See, I can't even talk. But there's nothing new there, is there, really? Right, thanks for watching. And enjoy your... Well, I hope you had a good bank holiday, because by the time you see this, the bank holiday will be gone. You won't see this for a few days, or possibly more. I don't know. Yeah, hope you had a good bank holiday. And, Well, it might be the next bank holiday by the time you see this. Right, stop waffling, Steve. Thanks for watching.